Hello everyone, welcome to 127 part of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the forget password process. In the last video that we have seen that we able to send the reset password confirmation link to the user, and in this video we are going to finally reset the password, the current password of the user to the new password, and we will send the confirmation email to the user as well. See, now we are going to send the confirmation email to the user that the password reset has been done. In the last video we able to send that reset password link, okay, by which the user able to add its new password. Okay, so here, so this one, send reset password link, this link we have able to send. You can see reset password link sent to your registered email, and the user got the reset password link. Okay, so now the user is going to click on this link, and after clicking on this link another form will open in which the new password field will be there, in which the user will type his new password and click on submit, so that the new password will be set, so that next time user can able to use the new password to log in to his account. Okay, so let's continue with this process. Now the user will click on this one, so this new route we are going to add now. Okay, reset password route, like earlier on we have added the forget password route, and now we are going to add the reset password route. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one, and along with that we will also use the code here. Okay, we will send the code as well. The that code is related with the encoded email. Okay, so here I will add the reset password. Okay, reset password and user reset password as well. So this code will come here. Okay, this code may come or may not come here, because uh, in post it is not required, it is required only in get. So this one is the get, here the code is required. But once we will reach in that form in where the user will set his new password, and there we will send the code as the input type hidden, as a hidden variable. We are going to send that code as the encoded email. Okay, so that's why, so here we are going to add the question mark. Okay, question mark means here that the code may come or may not come. Okay, so and here also we will write here the new function, that is the reset password. Okay, so this function we are going to create now under user controller. So in which in the same way like we have done earlier for the forgot password, so same thing we are going to do here as well. Okay, so I think we can simply take this one, it will save lot of our time. I'm going to use here the reset password like this, and here I'm going to in ajax it will come. Okay, and here I'm going to use it like this. Okay, if the data is coming in ajax, then we are going to use this. Otherwise we are going to show the reset password form. Okay, once again I'm going to copy this one so that it will save over time, and here I'm going to add the new page reset password, and I'm going to open that forgot password and will save it with the reset password, forgot password, and I'm going to save it with the reset password. Okay, so here I'm going to add the reset password. Okay, so here see, email is not required, instead of email now the new password is required. Okay, so here we are going to add new password like this, and here instead of type as, we're going to use here the type as password, and here id we're going to use the reset password as the id. Sorry, reset password, reset password. Okay, and name is the password, we're going to use here the password, and here also reset password, enter new password. And here we are going to add the reset password here as well in class. Okay, and now here we will use the input field for the code. Value will in value we are going to add the code that will come here in the URL. Okay, so other than this we will add the new jQuery function reset form. Okay, like the reset password form, in fact reset password form, and everything else it seems to be fine. Okay, so I'm going to click on this link. Let's click on this link and the user will reach here. Okay, so there is some issue. We're going to see unexpected token public, or maybe some issue here. mm, let's see the function once again. uh, Here else. Okay, okay, so that's why now it seems to be fine. Okay, so now see, undefined variable code we are sending here, but actually we are not sending the code back to that page. Okay, so that's why. Okay, so we are going to use here the code $code will come in this case, but it will not come in post, it will come in ajax. The code will come in ajax the next time. Okay, so now this code we are going to send here as well with. Okay, so now we are going to check. Yes, fine, new password page is ready. Okay, and the code will go as the input field. Okay, you can check here. Here we will send this code as the input type hidden. Okay, you are going to check this one here, here in this part. Okay, I'm going to open this one. A- and here you can see in form here. Okay, it's gone here in token, sorry, here code as the input type hidden. Okay, so now we will move further, and here first of all we are going to print this one. See data here, new password must come here along with the code. Okay, by which we are going to update the new password of the user. Okay, like this. Okay, and in custom.js we are going to add the new jQuery function now. Okay, like we have that forgot password function. Now we are going to create the new function, new jQuery function, and that will be reset password function. Okay, so I'm going to add here the new one, reset password form validation, and here we are going to add reset uh, password form. Okay, and fine, here the new link, that is the reset password link. Okay, so it will come here. Here we are going to add instead of forgot we are going to add here reset. Okay, and everything else seems to be fine. Okay, so now we are going to check in inspect that whether we able to get there or not. Here email the new password as well as the code by which we are going to decode and will get the email. Okay, so new password I'm going to add 67 here. I'm going to click on submit, and let's see. Yes, we are getting the both thing, code as well as the password. This time it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so both the things we are getting here in our function. Okay, so now we are going to update the new password. Okay, but first of all we are going to decode the email. $email equal to, we are going to decode this one, base 64 decode the email that we will that code that we will get there, $data code. Okay, this one we are going to decode, and after decode we are going to check once that whether this email is valid or not. Okay, this email we are having in our database or not. We are going to compare, we are going to check in our users table. Okay, uh, this email email, now we have got in email count. Okay, if the count is greater than 0, if then we are going to set the new password for the user of his own choice. Otherwise we can send the user to the 404 page. Okay, we will send the user to the 404 page. 404, we will send the user to the 404 page. Okay, so now here we are going to update the new password of the user. Update new password for the user, and here we are going to update the new password for the user by comparing with its email. Password decrypt. Okay, decrypt here dollar data password, like this. Okay, so here after updating the new password, we will also send email to the user, confirmation email. Okay, send email to user, send confirmation email. Okay, just the confirmation email to the user that we have set the new password. Okay, send confirmation email to user, something like okay, I'm going to pick that email format. This one, also the redirect. Here see the dollar email is already there. We are going to remove this one, and here we can use that. I think we have earlier used that email, register mail welcome to. This one is good enough. Okay, we can use this one as well. Also we have got we can send the complete details. Okay, welcome to sidemaker.in, not this one, but we will use our own content. Okay, or we can send the simple email as well. It's your choice. Okay, so we can simply send the confirmation email to the user that your password has been updated, like lot of other website used to do. Also we are going to comment this one. Okay, like this, and send confirmation mail to user. This code is not required now. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one, and here just the password we are sending, just password here dollar email, nothing else. Okay, uh, so we can just pass the email, and here we will write here confirmation, new password confirmation. Okay, new password confirmation page, new password underscore confirmation, uh, new password updated. Okay, password updated, password updated. uh, Here we will write here uh, your new password, uh, or password reset for your account. Okay, password reset for your account. Any message you can write. Okay, of your own choice. You can log in now, like this. Okay, so this email, we are going to create this email now. I'm going to open any of the email and file, save as templates. We are going to make now this template, new template. Dear user, uh, this email, uh, we have updated your password. You can log in with below link. Here we will just write login now. Okay, and the link of the user slash login, that link we are going to send. Okay, we have updated your password, you can log in with new link. Okay, so let's see now. The process is complete, and now we're going to try. And here make sure in the reset, yeah, here the class, we are using the class this time, reset, and here class as well. and here we are going to use the class as well. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to refresh it once and we'll see whether it will work or not. I'm going to make the password this time 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and let's see, click on submit, and it will take few seconds, and wait for the few seconds. Let's see, the email is also going and it must show the success message. Let's see. Yes, success message, password reset for your account. You can log in now. Password reset for your account. You can log in now. The success message has come up. We will check here. Yes, password updated. Okay, you have updated your password. You can log in with below link. I'm going to click on this link and I have reached the login page. I'm going to use now the new password. First, I'm going to use the old password, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. We'll click on login. Here you can see you have entered the wrong email or password. Fine. Now I'm going to use the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let's see. Yes, I am able to log in this time, so it's working fine. So now we are going to check the complete process, complete forgot password process once again. Like if the user comes here and he forgets his password, he will click on lost your password. Now he is going to first give the invalid email ID. It is showing it's invalid. Again he will put the invalid email ID, and now he will again get this error message, email does not exist. Okay, so now this time he is going to put his correct email ID, amit1000@yahoo.com, and click on submit. And let's see, wait for few seconds. Though we are going to add the loader in the next video. uh, so it is going to show the yes, the reset password link sent to your registered email. So now we are going to open here the mail trap. Okay, so we have got the user will get this link, reset password link. He is going to click on this link to reset his password. So this new password field comes up and he will set the new password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. He will click on submit once again, and now he will wait for few seconds once again, though we are going to show the loader. Uh, and let's wait for few seconds. And yes, he got password reset for your account. You can log in now. Now he must get the new email once again. Let's see, he must get the new email. Yes, password updated, email has come up. We have updated your password. You can log in with below link. Click on this one, login now. He reached here the login now link. Now he will try first with the old password. He will try, error message is coming, you have entered wrong email or password. Now he will put the 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and now he can able to log in. So this is the complete forgot password process, and these both videos we able to do. This is the standard secure process that every website used to follow. So I hope that in both videos it's very much clear to you. Okay, so if you have any trouble, you can surely contact me. So in the next video we are going to show the loader, as well as we are going to log in, and then we'll work on the account pages as well. So we will take these things further, and please join as well as the subscribe the channel. You can always subscribe the channel for more Laravel updates, and always join the channel to get the source code, to get the complete source code, so that you will not stuck anywhere. Okay, always subscribe as well as join the channel to become the Laravel expert. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.